you winning? Hello, friends. This is Lyra Musical. Today, we're gonna do something fun. Are you excited? By the way, I don't have my own room, but it's okay because my papa's so creative. That he built me a super duper cool bedroom using boxes. Can you see? It's not moving anymore. This room has a door.
Where's the door? Show the door.
Over there.
And
On the windows that are circle
ito pa.
and rectangle, square, and circle. Tiny space for my not so cute little feet. When I wanted to lie down and take a rest.
Show, open.
Isn't it amazing? But to make it more amazing, like Mom got some white spray paint.
Wow, show. We're going to paint it together.
We're gonna paint it together. Come on, let's go. I'm thirsty.
Sige. Tula ko rito. Ay, don't put on it.
Five.
Hangin di ka ay minsan. Ala! Tanawa. Oh, gibutang di. Kana na, oy. Uy, nag-try. Right. Okay, show your hand. Tama na, ingat na ka. Muna po.
God is love.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye po diri sa camera.
Bye. God is good all the time.